So, wow, ang dami. Guys, so order ko guys. Ano talaga siya?
Oops.
Dito guys. Ito yung dalaman guys. First, number 1. Oh, may bato-bato.
Oh my God, what's that?
Bato-bato guys.
Bato-bato?
Dito.
Where did you get that?
Bato-bato guys. Ano lang dapat yun.
Ano na pa?
Tagalog.
Okay. Tagalog tayo ngayon.
Yes.
Sige.
Dito oh.
Sige,
Wow,
guys.
share.
Lagay
Unbox
natin
na
dito,
natin
guys,
guys.
I-unbox na yung ano, guys.
Wow. Guys oh. Lag ko ang salakyan guys.
Wait, guys. Ayusin
Dito
ko,
pa
guys, yung
guys. So,
camera natin,
ayos
guys.
dan. Oh wow. May buluksan.
Wow.
Ay, niguro guys. Baterya guys.
Wala, guys.
Alampangan.
Guys. Okay na yan, guys.
And so guys. Dito guys ang pala. Wow.
And guys, ayan. Ano
Wow.
to, guys? Ano yung gagawin natin dito?
Rockness.
It is a truck. It's not a truck. It's a car racing.
Yes. Dito tayo sa next number 1 challenge.
Hi, guys!
Sa next number
Next.
number
Ano na
1
naman?
challenge kita.
Ano yung
Tapos,
gagawin dyan?
mixer, gatiyog dito.
Tiyog-tiyog
Wow.
yan. Dito? Wow.
Dito may
Ang
battery pa.
ganda. Pwedeng lagyan ng battery. Still working pa?
Wa na.
Na?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Kaya wa na yung naging button ng blade.
Hmm.
Oh, sa number 2 na kita. Oh, may
What's this? There's a number.
number.
What is this?
Dito pala guys, oh, langki-langkis.
Where did you get this?
It's a profile sign. Ano rin pang lang daw dito na. Oh. Guys, dito guys, may stand sa pala guys. Oh, number.
Ayan na, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Pa. Hoy, dito guys, so number 3 naman kita. Oh, dito guys, so palagalibot-libot. Ano ran?
Wow. Sira na naman yan,
Oh, number 2 na kita.
Yan, sira na din.
Number
Hindi na remote.
Number 4 na kita, guys.
Hindi na gumagana kapag ano.
Dito guys, may sulin pa ni guys. Oh, guys.
What sulin-sulin?
Wow.
It's a battery.
Yes.
Battery.
Battery.
Okay. Pero nasira na.
Guys, oh. Libot-libot, guys. Oh, si number challenge.
Ayan pa, guys.
Oh, ito
Ayan pa.
guys.
Show ni Uno yung mga toys niya. sa
Ayan
inyo.
pa sa...
Ayan pa, guys. Ayan. Ito, nasira to kasi pinaikot-ikot lang nila. Ganon-ganon. Dapat, hindi pwedeng paikot-ikutin kasi umiikot ito. Gamit yung remote.
Guys,
Kaya
dito,
yan,
guys.
tuloy sira na. Hindi na, ginaganon-ganon na lang.
Yan
At
dito.
ito din, sira na din.
Yes.
Binigay ni Tito Police.
Yes, guys. Binigay ni Tito.
At
Police.
ito, pinagtatapon-tapon kasi nagalit yung bata-batuta.
Butang dito,
Kaya
ma.
nasira.
Oh,
Ayan.
butang dito mo. And
Ito,
number 8 naman kita,
gumagana pa rin to. Kaso nga lang, yung gulong niya na sira na. Yung maliit na gulong na nagpapaikot-ikot dito.
And guys, sa number
Guys.
challenge din naman kita, guys.
Ayun yung sauli. Yung sauli. Akin na. At ito din, guys. Still
Dito guys,
working
oh,
pa to.
bato-bato. And ito guys, bato-bato guys. So, this is a hot dog.
No, it's not a hotdog.
It's a rock.
It's a rock.
And
So,
then,
guys.
nasa number 8 naman kita, guys. And guys, this is the Golden A Managed Furnace.
Oo.
Yes. And this is the boat mod. What is this, bro?
That's a boat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so,
Let me
thank you
see.
for watching these videos. And please subscribe to my channel. And please subscribe.
Please follow and subscribe to Mama's channel. Thank you, guys.
Welcome, guys.
Bye. Bye. Peace.